Hey, fourth graders, this is Mr. Hatch. If I haven't gotten the pleasure of meeting you yet, hello. It is great to meet you virtually. I hope to meet you in person soon. Today, we are going to be doing the Toothpick Challenge. You're going to be using this little baggie of toothpicks, or they're more like sticks, in the future. But for now, we're going to go ahead and get started with a warm up. Let's do it. All right. This warm up is kind of like a hint for the challenge, so pay close attention. You will use this information. Here's our warm up. How many total squares are there? Kind of a simple question. You have an image here, and you're trying to figure out how many total squares there are. You're going to pause for a couple more seconds, but go ahead and count them up. How many squares do you see? We'll take a few seconds for you to count. Go ahead and pause the video now. If you need a couple more seconds or minutes, take your time. We are going to go ahead and move on. So now's your final chance. Pause it if you want a little more time. All right. Let's see what our answer is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is that it? Oh, nope. We have one final big square, 14 squares. So the final answer was that there were 14 total squares. Okay. Is that what you got? Maybe not. That's okay. A common mistake is that people will count those 9 small squares, but forget the bigger ones. But that's going to be useful knowledge for you in our task today. So let's get started with that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and break out those sticks. Go ahead and take out 5 sticks, and here's your challenge. Can you make 2 triangles from just 5 sticks? So only using 5 sticks, not 4, not 6, but 5, can you make 2 triangles? There's a couple different ways to do this. Okay, go ahead and pause the video now, take a shot, and go ahead and resume the video when you think you have your answer. Pause the video now. If you haven't paused it, we're going to talk about the answer in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Is this what you got? We had 5 total sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2 triangles. They share a stick. Or did you get this? Same thing. We have 5 total sticks, but 2 triangles. They shared a stick again. Either of those answers would totally work. They both answered the question. Did you figure out another way? That's awesome. Okay, let's move on to the next task. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to use all 9 of our sticks, and we are going to make this pattern. Go ahead and make 3 triangles that look exactly like this with your sticks. And here is your challenge. Let's take a couple seconds to set up our triangles first, actually. Go ahead and set up those 3 triangles. All right, here's your challenge. Can you move just 3 of these sticks to form 5 triangles? Can you move just 3 sticks to form 5 triangles? You can't just move 2. You can't move 4. Just 3. All right, pause the video now. Go ahead and take a shot at this one. If you don't get it right away, hey, that's okay. Go ahead, take a breath, take a minute, try it again. Just do your best. All right, pause the video now. Okay, if you haven't paused, do so now if you're not done, because we're going to get started in 3, 2, 1. We're back at it. All right. Is this what you got? If so, is this 4 triangles or is it 5? Well, let's see here. I see 1 triangle on the top, this little one. I see 2 triangles, 3, 4, down here, and 5. This whole big triangle is 1 as well, like we saw in our warm-up video. So this is in fact 5 triangles. We moved the whole triangle that was over here to just be on top. And that created 5 triangles for us. It's kind of a tricky one. Okay, let's debrief. What did you notice about your thinking and your math mind while you were solving these problems? Did they come super easily to you? Maybe not. Were they a little frustrating? Think to yourself and reflect for just 30 seconds. What did you notice about your math mind while solving these? Was it easy to get frustrated? When you solved them quickly, did you stop or did you try to look for other ways maybe? Hmm. What do you think this can teach us about ourselves to help us in math this year? There's going to be times that we might be a little frustrated with a problem. It might not come super easily. Or maybe it comes super easily and we need to extend our thinking and think in different ways and see if we can figure out the problem in a different way. Whichever the case, we may make mistakes, and that's okay. We learn from our mistakes, right? If we make mistakes, that means that we're trying, and that's great. And if we fix those mistakes, we can move on from them, we can learn from them, and we can continue our thinking, which is awesome. All right. Hey, thanks guys for participating in this little challenge today. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye, everybody. Quick little note, friends. If you still have some time in your station and this video has ended, go ahead and challenge yourself. See what shapes you can make with your sticks. Can you make even a triangle that has more triangles inside of it? Can you make a rectangle with other smaller rectangles inside of it? Experiment with those sticks. See what shapes you can make and see if you can make smaller shapes inside and how many you can make. Have some fun with it. All right. Bye now.